Hello viewers, warm welcome to all of you from Hasani Kiran's Home and Kitchen. This video is all about chicken. This dish is called Chicken 65 and we bring you the recipe that can replicate the restaurant style. We believe in making everything fresh, so our spices are freshly ground to enhance the taste of the dish. We bet your family will ask for more. So let's get started. For the marination, take 700 grams of chicken in a mixing bowl. After washing it thoroughly with water for 4 to 5 times, let's add the spices. Turmeric powder is optional. Red chili powder, I added 1.5 tablespoons. You may adjust according to your desired spice level. Salt, freshly ground ginger and garlic paste. Take equal quantities of ginger and garlic, grind it to a fine paste and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, little oil so that all spices are mixed well. Adjust the salt at this stage. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice is best when squeezed fresh and mixed very well. Cover with a wrap and let it sit in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours to achieve the tenderness from the inside and crisp texture on the outside. Now heat oil in a wok and once it is very hot, add the chicken pieces one after the other. Marination is the key to this recipe. Do not compromise this process. Make sure the flame is on medium when you fry the chicken. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you'll get to see this color of the chicken. You can take them out into a strainer to drip the excess oil. The next step is optional. In the same oil, you can fry some split green chilies, diced onions, and peppers for crisp garnish. Chicken 65 is hot and ready to serve. This recipe needs some prior preparation, but the marination wait will only delight you. Please like and share our videos. Do not forget to subscribe for latest updates. See you soon in our next video. Thank you.